Today we're going to talk about using the Adobe Lightroom app in order to use the camera for the light and shadow prompt. We're going to set up a couple settings when we do that. So open up the camera portion of the app and then go ahead and click on the icon on the bottom right, which lets you set presets. And I want you to set this to black and white. This is going to allow you in the viewfinder to see light and shadow a lot more clearly when you do this. Then you're going to set the orientation to the way that you want the camera to be oriented and move into a scene where highlights, where light and shadow are the point. They're the main thing that makes the scene interesting. You're going to click on the exposure button on the bottom on the right and drag the slider up and down to adjust the scene. And what you're looking for when you want to emphasize light and shadow is you want the shadows to be really dark. You want to drag the exposure down to where just the highlight is exposed and the shadows are very, very dark. This is going to make a much more dramatic picture, and it's going to make the shadows have an impact on the image. When you're done, move on to another scene. If you notice that the clouds and the light goes away, you'll have to come back to this scene at another time or go inside to try to do this with artificial light.